your type of intro. Like, welcome back, Gunners, YouTubers.
I told you we should try something different where you start off the intro. So.
Welcome back, YouTubers, Gunners, subscribers. We've been kicking ass. Almost done with PD. Where did we leave off at?
We put the motor in.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're about to start. Like in the next
You think so? This video we're starting.
Nah, we starting up. We starting up in a little bit. I'm just cleaning up some wiring, getting everything organized.
That's some intro, man.
Oh, now you drop. Now you.
All right now. All right, guys. All right, so. All right, guys. Yep. All right, guys. All right. So. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Welcome back, Gunners. We are back here. Trappy has set off the intro for this one. I like it, so we'll go right from here. Axles are in. Trappy buttoned all that up. Traction bar is on. Let me see how that looks with the traction bar there, Trap. Looks good. Somebody made fun of us in the comments saying, why are you taking out weight from a front-wheel drive car when we can just add the weight where we want?
Yeah, we can drill this and put ballasts. We got ballasts right there. Ready.
It's all right. We don't know what we're doing. So, literally just buttoning up this guy. I want to thank everyone for the diffuser support. Your stuff is shipping out right now. We're just waiting for our beautiful post lady. She's my Valentine. We'll give her a Corona that we got here that hasn't been drank since Gunner Day. I'm going to give her a Corona. Maybe she takes that as a sign. No, I'm just joking. Yeah, but we're getting the ball rolling here. I think today we're going to just get this car to crank over, turn on. So, wish us luck.
What they do over there?
Trap. They tightened it all the way to where you put the sleeve in, cabrón. And it looks like they used thread lock también, cabrón.
What'd you call him at first? I was off camera. What'd you call him?
Malparillo. Look at this malparillo, yo. Wow. That fuel line's done. So we got our feed here going to the rail. This is not an advanced fuel system. We don't have a return system. That's something we'll probably end up looking towards if we ever decide to boost the car, Trap.
Yeah.
But for right now, this is more than enough for 300 horsepower. So we've got dash 8 lines feeding the fuel rail. We've got our 1300cc ID injectors that were burning flawlessly based on how the block looked too.
Yeah, looked great.
Great tune-up on it. Jamie did a great job. And that's it. Trappy's working on the return now. Rigged up something that we had to just...
I hate using worm clamps, but if I have to, I'll make it look as good as possible.
Yeah, man shrunk to the worm clamps.
Chill out.
Talk about buckets. We'll start up oil, Trappy. I'll put 6 quarts of this, yep. 10W30. Hopefully everything is good. Timing is right. Good airflow. We're not going to have a brake booster for now because we have to get a longer line.
Yeah, we got to extend it.
What else are we not going to have? We're not going to have a throttle cable for now.
Yeah, throttle cable's not long enough. Pause.
You said pause. Can't knock you for that. We got our K-Pro plugged in. We got a battery, the original battery that was in here. And Trappy's finishing up one more fuel line and we should be ready to go. Good old corn, huh, Trappy?
Good old corn.
Good old corn.
Never hurt nobody.
Never hurt
Only
nobody.
Only help.
Got about 5 gallons of corn from the BP station. It was like
CX1, alright?
$12. $12. So that's it. We'll primer in some fuel. We'll make sure that we got no fuel leaks, right, Trap? And then we'll fire it up.
Prime it.
Ready?
Prime it. We got fuel. You're good. No leaks.
We got fuel. We got oil. Transmission fluid. I blocked off the intake manifold, right? Yep. For the vacuum, here we go. Turns on good, Trap. Everything's good. We need to use our board over there, Trappy.
Yeah.
We need to write down some things that we need to do. Our first major concern before all the rest of the stuff is, check it out.
Oh yeah.
We don't want to cut. We don't want to cut the Illuminati hood. It hits way too much. Look how far off it is. It's way too far off. So that's an issue. I don't want to cut this hood, Trap. This hood has went really fast.
Where? Radiator. We need to figure out what
We're gonna move our radiator. We're probably gonna have to have Ben come by and weld us the tab straight. So we'll go from there. Throttle cable.
Yeah, we got some buttoning up to do.
No, we got some buttoning up to do. We'll be done. I want to be done in, yeah, I want to be done in like 2 days. We'll gather up all the parts we need. We'll get them in one day, hopefully, and we'll knock out everything else. We're gonna have to find a pin for this wire, so you can make this here, so we can ditch this wire. What else?
New valve cover.
Our new valve cover's coming. We're gonna get a new gasket kit. But we gotta write all that down on the board so we could just knock it out the same way we always do. But it's on, man. Project driver's on.
How was the clutch in it?
Oh, clutch feels great. Just a little bit, pause, Trap. A little bit stiffer than the stage 3. But go feel it, go feel it.
What's this hitting for? What's this hitting for?
Feels good.
Oh, that is nice.
Yeah, right? It doesn't feel too bad. Jesus Christ.
I thought I heard something. Oh, it was Vicky crying.
Oh.
I could hear it.
What gear? What gear is he gonna cry in?
The top of third as I'm. Yeah, you can hear it. Watch. Right there. Yeah. That's him.
Like a bear getting molested.
Yeah.
Got it. Oh.